Hi all and welcome to our latest YouTube video. Today we're just going to be doing an unboxing of a HP ZBook Studio x360. Please, if you haven't already, like our channel just down below. Click a like and also like this video, that would be much appreciated. As mentioned, this is a HP ZBook Studio x360 G5. Now HP, it's a laptop, but HP call these mobile workstations because they're very beefy and expensive as well. So I'm just showing briefly the outside of the box. It's a bit of a chunky box and you can hear some things, I suppose, rattling around inside. So I'll just start with unboxing it now. We just need to cut some tape here. There's a handle on the box, but we'll just get rid of that. Wow, there goes my camera. See if we can get it back up and running. How's that? That looks a bit better. Anyway, there, as you can see, the contents. Looks like we've got some manuals and maybe power adapters, manuals, and the actual ZBook there. We'll just take out the manuals first. So we've just got on this one, just setup instructions. Yeah, just step by step on how to set it up, it looks like. That's the other side. Just put that to the side. What else have we got in here? The 3-year limited battery warranty. A bit on the actual pen or stylus that it comes with, and HP limited support, technical support and warranty. Got the actual pen itself there. So it's a pen or stylus. The power adapter. So it's just the probably standard type power adapter for HP with the clover leaf input and the standard just HP end there. Looks like some frames may be dropping out on my recording. Sorry about that. Anything else on this side? I've got cable, which is Australian power cable, and the 3-leaf clover at the end. A USB A to C or C to A, it says, cable, so I'm not sure what that's there for. What else we've got in here? Oh, this will be for a little clip. So let me see if we can get it a bit better. Yeah, it's just a little clip that clips into the side of the laptop in the, I think it's one of the SD card ports. We can then clip the pen to it. Nothing else in there. Now we've got the actual main unit. Oh, sorry, one other cable came out. It's the HP USB-C to RJ45 adapter. So there's that. So the main unit itself is in some styrofoam. And it's also got some plastic covering, as you can see there. HP ZBook Studio x360. There's HP, again ZBook 360, the back. We will, let's see here. Let's see if that's enough to get the plastic off. Right, as I said before, these are mobile workstations. This one's a Core i9, Intel Core i9 processor, 32 gig of RAM, 1 terabyte NVMe SSD drive, and an NVIDIA Quadro P2000 4 gig. So they're very beefy units. There it is. Let's see what's the easiest way. Probably here. Get it out. So there's nothing else in the box. It's just empty. So the laptop itself is in like a little plastic cover. So you just pull that little bit of plastic up and then we can get the actual unit out. Should slide out. So there it is. Come on. It's just being a bit of a pain. There we go. So just get the little packing, little cover. There we have the actual unit itself. Got trackpad, NFC, fingerprint reader, normal keypad, keyboard I should say, no number pad there. So it's a ZBook. Just at the front there's no actual ports. On the side we've got SD card port. Looks like headphone jack, some vents, HDMI port, 2 USB-C, and power. Right, we've got power connector there. On the back, there's no ports, just says mobile workstation there, just along there. And on this side, we've got 2 normal USB ports, a SD card port, and what's the last one? It just looks like a lock, and the on-off button is just there. So as I said, this unit is one of HP's 360s. So it can swivel right around. It's a 15.6 inch touchscreen. And yeah, there. If you have any questions, please put them below. I'll try my best to answer them. But there you have it, a quick unboxing of a HP ZBook Studio x360 G5. Thanks for watching, and as mentioned before, please subscribe. Oh, probably a couple of things I may see if I can find it. No, I can't find it though. I mentioned there was a little pen holder for your touch screen for the stylus. That just goes in the side here, where just down here there's a little SD card, so you just push that in and then you can pop out the bit that's in there and slide in the pen holder or slide in your SD card or whatever you want in there. So that just goes in there. There you have it. As I said, please subscribe, check out our other unboxing videos, and sorry about the whole camera falling down before, and I'm just looking now, one of the legs of the tripod is very close to the edge, so it's probably going to collapse again any minute. Thanks again, and hope you like the video, and we'll catch you next time. Bye for now.